Do you hate unrealistic deadlines and the graveyard of unfinished projects your codebase have become? Today, I'm here to show you how to avoid that.
Lean Poker is excellent for breaking some myths people have about how good their practices are so that they can shore them up, and to give people an idea of what the really important parts of XP or Scrum or Kanban method are.
Experience how continuous deployment looks like, or tackling a problem together to experience that.
Like shining a big light on team dynamics and seeing what happens.
What if there was a way to avoid missed deadlines, build trust towards your leaders and your users? Well, it is possible, and I wanted to help others achieve that. But simply explaining my system wasn't enough. The subtle details just get lost in translation. So I created the Lean Poker workshop, where you can experience firsthand how frequent deployments and early feedback lead to better products and a joyful work environment.
There's so much to learn, and I think with every team there are different dynamics, a variety of different things you can take away.
During my workshop, you will be at the center of the action, competing to build the best poker bot. Due to the clear goals and the drive to win, it will become obvious how you can improve your team's performance. Past participants you see in this video are all seasoned professionals, some of them public speakers, yet they all found something valuable they could take away from my workshop.
Lean Poker is getting punched in the face. It's not so much that you learn during Lean Poker, is that you learn in the week after Lean Poker, where you're like, why does my face hurt?
The reality of the pressure was really surprising. I knew it would be a thing, but I didn't realize how much pressure that would put on and how that would affect us to make a move that put us so far behind and not even realize it.
Reality punches back much more in this format than it does in like a code retreat. In code retreat, they often have a changing requirement, but the thing is that almost never works because you're not at a point where the requirement is even in play when it changes. Where here, we genuinely had changing requirements.
Like as a crucible for really teaching how powerful iterative and incremental delivery can be, this is the place.
If you want to become the star of your team, build amazing software, and rediscover the joy of coding, sign up for my next online workshop or reach out to bring Lean Poker to your organization. Visit leanpoker.org for the latest dates and for details on how to get involved.